As you guys could see, this is pre-curled, so I did hook up my wand curler just in case I needed to touch up, but I probably wouldn't really have to from the looks of it, to be completely honest. So this one doesn't have like that C carve out for the ear, so, or does it? No, I don't think it does. So my ear is going to bend a little bit unless you just kind of like push it back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It does have a comb in the back. It doesn't really need it. And this is the wig straight out of the packaging, you guys. So it already comes with a curved side part. So I'm going to keep the side part today. And I would just probably need to touch it up. As you guys could see, it has a brown top and then it has highlights of like this orange. Hopefully you guys could tell and pick it up, but it's like highlighted throughout. So yeah, so I also want to make sure that you guys know that this is not like a chocolate brown. To me, it gives more of like a milk chocolate, like a muted chocolate kind of thing. So I'm not sure exactly what type of color this would be or what you would call it, but it's definitely more of on the milkier side. This is actually a very different color. That's why I chose it, because I don't think I've ever reviewed something like this. So I don't know, just to try it out for you guys. Somebody may actually really like it. So I'm just taking my foundation and blending it in. The lace is pretty white, you guys. I did tint it under, but you would definitely have to go in on top as well. So make sure you do that. I feel like I'm going to twist this a little bit so it can be a little deeper to my liking. And just to show you guys, this is where the lace stops, right here and right here, which I feel like that's not right here. So you can definitely get away with this wig unit looking like a frontal. So I'm gonna keep it there. I don't think it looks bad, you guys, but I think I do want to kind of do this parting a little deeper. Does it go to the back?